Today I bring to you these soft, fluffy and easy bread rolls, fresh from the oven. I made it just for you so that you can be able to make the bread in your house, in your home, and not have to buy bread again from the supermarket or from the shops. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I'm going to show you how to make these bread rolls in your kitchen. Before I continue, please like, subscribe, share and comment on the video. We need room temperature milk, eggs, sugar and yeast. You mix everything together. Then you add the all-purpose flour and salt. Mix everything together, turn it very well. Then you cover and allow to sit for 25 minutes. You add the butter and mix very well. Mix the butter with the dough. Then on a flat and clean surface, you sprinkle a little bit of flour. Place the dough and knead until it becomes smooth and elastic. Next, you oil a bowl and place the dough inside the bowl, cover and leave for an hour. Place the dough inside. Cover and leave for an hour for proofing. After an hour, you bring out the dough and punch it to remove the gas. This is a necessary procedure. You must have to punch it to remove the gas. Next, you place it on the surface and divide it into 15 parts. Then you roll the dough. Place everything into an oven pan. Cover and allow it to sit until it doubles or triples in size. And then bake in an oven for 30 minutes at 150 degrees. Bring it out from the oven and glaze with room temperature butter. Allow to cool down for some minutes and you have your fluffy, soft, easy and delicious bread rolls. For your breakfast, for your snacks. Wow. You can enjoy it with your favorite beverage drinks or alone. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something today. Please don't go without hitting that like button. Subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.